What's good, my tech friends? This is the one tech boss. So today is a good day because I have my new lens. As you guys could already see, it's a Sigma lens. You can see it's a Sigma lens, and boy, oh boy, I am so excited. I've never been this excited. I feel like a kid in a candy store. So if you guys don't know already, the lens I actually have on my camera right now, that I'm using to shoot this video now, is the Canon 10 to 18 millimeter wide angle lens, and it's a f4.5, and it's not really, it doesn't give the background that real depth of field that I really want. So yeah, I got this camera. I got this new lens because it's a beautiful lens. I've heard so much reviews about it, heard so much people ranting about it on YouTube. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get the lens and upgrade and see what the fuss is about. So yeah, I got the lens here, gonna unbox it with you guys, and yeah, and I'm gonna probably test it out in this video, but I'm not too sure because I have to literally rearrange my setup, because right now the setup is arranged for me to turn to basically film in 10 millimeter, and this starts at 18 millimeters, so it has to be all the way back, and I have to rearrange my setup. But I don't know, depends how this video goes. But yeah, this is the Sigma 18 to 35 millimeter f1.8 lens, and it's also the art series as well as the art lens. So yeah, this lens, I believe, is 6 years old or 7 years old. I'm not too sure how old this lens is, but it's still up there with the price. It's still expensive, but you know what, I got a bargain with this bad boy. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see what's going on. But yeah, I'm just excited to start using this lens. But yeah, this lens is actually for APS sensor for the camera. It's not a full frame lens, it's just for a crop sensor lens, if that makes sense. So I'm using my ATD. So yeah, this is perfect for the lens. And also, I also bought this as well for future upgrade when I upgrade the camera as well, because I'm planning on upgrading to a Cinema Pocket 6K. So yeah, it'll be beautiful on the camera, this lens. So yeah, anyway, so in the box we have I don't know, because everything is written in Chinese or Japanese, wherever that writing is. So I literally can't tell you guys what these things are meaning. I'm guessing this is a warranty thing. In case you want a warranty, you scan the barcode or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, got some bags it comes in, and then what's this? Oh, warranty sticker over there, because this comes with a 3-year warranty, which is pretty cool. And then I'm guessing this is like a manual to kind of help you through the phone and through the lens, not phone. We do a lot of phone unboxing here. But yeah, this is the lens. This is just the box. This is the lens. It comes in this nice protected kind of casing, so you can, go around with it, and yeah. And then it comes with this little thing over here. You can put like a mount, if you're gonna mount it on your side or something, you can put it through and then it should stay there. But yeah, nice and soft. The pouch is very soft. It's firm and it's nice. Nice carrying case. But yeah, then we got the Sigma branding just at the top there on that little thing over there, if you guys can see it. Let's get right into it. Oh wow, I like this. Got like a little cutout at the top there just to protect the top half of the lens when you obviously shot it, which is cool. But yeah, this is the lens. Whew! It's quite a hefty lens. Quite a hefty lens. It's quite heavy. It's quite heavy. Yeah, this is what the lens looks like. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So you got the hood, you got the sensor cover so you don't damage the glass, and then you got this cover as well that obviously covers it when it's not on their camera. Yeah, that is the lens there. That looks absolutely awesome. I don't even know if you can see. Oh my god, you can. Look at that. That is pretty cool. But yeah, this is the lens. Quite hefty, quite big. So you can see there, it's the 18 to 35 millimeter one as well, which is pretty damn cool. And the one thing I love about this lens is when you're going from 18 to 35, it actually doesn't move. As you can see, I'm turning it, but it's not moving. It's not moving up and down. It's very, very good and handy when you're in a small, tight space, which is pretty cool. So, you know, it's all within the lens over there, which is pretty cool. And then this has got, it's made in Japan. Explain the writing, so Japanese writing, and also we've got the auto focus and the manual focus there. I'll be mainly using it with the autofocus because I can't really manually focus the ring when I'm recording the video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what you get. You got the hood as well, which boom goes on like that, and wow, that is a nice setup there. You put that on the 80D, wow, you're gonna, and you turn up to some shoot or whatever, you're gonna look so professional. Well yeah man, I can't wait to actually install this on the 80D and see how it goes. Apparently both of them are a good pair, so yeah. That's my new lens there. So my next video, you should see like a nicer picture quality with the lens. Anyway guys, without further ado, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Also, you know, share the video and yeah, and help me out, and yeah, subscribe with the bell. And I just want to thank you guys for your support and all that stuff. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys later. Peace.